Most people doing affiliate marketing are stuck making a few sales here and there, and they can't even figure out why it is not growing. I was in the exact same spot, and the frustrating part wasn't that I needed a bigger audience. It wasn't also that I needed more traffic. I was just making 3 fixable mistakes. In this video, I am going to show you 3 specific things you can do right now to grow your affiliate sales faster. And I am not talking about generic advice like post more content. I mean real actionable shit that actually change my numbers. Stick around to the end because the third one is the one almost nobody talks about, and it made the biggest difference for me. Let's get into it. Before we actually jump in, here is something to take note of. I am not here to sell you a dream. Affiliate marketing takes real work. And if someone is telling you otherwise, they are lying to you. And here is what is true. Once you understand why people buy through affiliate links, and most importantly, why they don't, everything starts to click. These 3 strategies I am about to share with you are built around this psychology. If you are ready, drop yes in the comment section. Let's go. Strategy number 1. That is, stop promoting products and start solving problems. Here is what most beginners do. They sign up for an affiliate program, they get their link and they share it everywhere. In their bio, in their videos, in their emails. And then wonder why nobody is clicking. Note, I am not saying you cannot promote your affiliate link in your bio, in your videos or through your emails. But there are right ways to do this. Stick around, and here is the truth. People don't click links. They click solutions. Think about the last time you bought something online. You didn't go online looking for products because there are products everywhere. Rather, you were looking for an answer to a problem. And the very person or page that gave you the solution is who you bought it from. So here is the shift. Instead of making contents about the products, make your contents about the problems your product solves.
Glowing on a late night grind, building up the empire one click at a time, checking all the analytics, see the traffic rise, reading all the data.
For example, instead of making a video called Compact Kit Reviews, you can instead title your video How to Build an Email List for Free as a Beginner. And inside that video, Convert Kit is the natural solution you recommend. You are not selling, you are helping, and that is what converts. Action step. Go back to your last 3 pieces of content and ask yourself this question. Am I promoting a product or am I solving a problem? And if you find out it is the first one, reframe your content. Strategy number 2. Build a bridge, not just a link. This strategy is huge, and I wish someone had told me this earlier. A raw affiliate link is what I call a cold handoff. When you send someone directly from your content to a sales page, the jump is jelly. And here is exactly what happened. They went from trusting you to suddenly being sold to by a stranger. And that kills conversions very fast. So what is a bridge? A bridge is anything that sits between your content and the sales page. And it helps to warm the person up before they get to your affiliate link. Now, here are the 3 most effective bridges you can start using right now. 1 is a bonus page. This is the simple page you can create using free tools that says something like, if you sign up through my link, here is what I am giving you for free. And that your free offer can be a checklist, a mini course, or a template. These are things that makes your affiliate link more valuable than just going directly to the sales page. Bridge number 2 is email sequence. Someone opts into your list, and over 3 to 5 emails you share your real experience with the product, answering objections, and then make recommendation with your link. This will work because by email 3 or 4, the person already trusts you. A comparison video or post is the bridge number 3 that is working right now. And in this kind of video, you say something like, Tool A versus Tool B, which one should beginners use? This converts because the person watching is already in buying mode, only that they needed someone to help them decide. And when you help them decide, that leads to conversion. So, pick one bridge, just one, set it up this way, and you will see the difference. Strategy number 3, and this strategy is the one I mentioned at the start that almost nobody talks about, and that is optimize what is already working, not what is not working. What is already working. Stop trying to fix what is not working and double down on what is already working. Most affiliate marketers spend all their time trying to revive content that is already there. A video that flopped, blog posts with no traffic, and even a campaign that never converted. They keep tweaking it, re-uploading it, hoping something changes. Meanwhile, they are completely ignoring the one video or post that is getting clicks because it doesn't feel like there is any more things to do there. Here is the truth. Your analytics is telling you exactly where to focus on, and only what you need is just to listen. Here is what I want you to do. Go into your analytics right now, maybe from your YouTube studio, your Google Search Console, or your affiliate dashboard, and then find your top performing piece of content. The content that is getting the most views, the most clicks, or the most conversion. After locating that, ask yourself these 3 questions. Question 1, is my call to action on this piece of content as clear and specific as it could be? Question 2, is there a related piece of content I could create that would target the same audience? Question 3, could I update or expand this piece of content to target more search traffic? Most of the time, one small tweak to your best piece of content will do more for yourselves than 10 new pieces of mediocre content. And that is the power of doubling down on what is working. So friends, let's bring it all together. Strategy number 1, stop promoting and start solving. Make your content about the problem and not the product. Strategy number 2, build a bridge. Don't do what I call code hand-off. Use a bonus page, email sequence, or comparison videos or posts to warm people up before they hit your affiliate link. And the last strategy, double down on what is already working. Your analytics are your roadmap. Use them effectively. And here is the kicker. You don't need to implement all the 3 strategies today. Pick just one, the one that feels more relevant to where you are right now, and go to work on it. And that is how you actually move forward. If this was helpful, the most valuable thing you can do right now is to hit that subscribe button, because I post videos like this every week, specifically for people who are serious about building affiliate income the right way. No hype, no shortcuts, just real stuff that actually works. Thank you so much for your time with me, and God bless. See you in the next one.